Hello friends! Welcome to our channel Magic Hands. Today we are going to draw a cute handbag. So let's get started. First we draw the body of the bag and shape. Now we are adding some details. Its eyebrows, its open mouth with tongue, and tall eyes, so its look cute. And now we draw its handles, so it looks beautiful bag. It looks great! Now let's start coloring together. We color its handles with yellow color, his mouth in black and red, and then its half body in dark pink and half body in light pink. Now we add a heart in the middle of his body and color it blue. Now light pink color in his remaining half body. Hey friends! Hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. Kindly hit like, share and subscribe our channel for more drawing videos.